Hello everyone, and this is the Arduino Uno R4 version, and it's in Wi-Fi version, so called Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. I bought it actually from Daras, and I received it today. Yes, let's open it and let's see what's the feature it has. I need a sharp object or a knife for opening this. So let's yes. It's nice. It's black in color. This one is the ESP32. It provides the Wi-Fi mechanism for Arduino, and this is the microcontroller. LED matrix are there, and pins. It has some additional feature, that is, it has some additional male pins over there, that is digital input output. The 5 volt is there, and ground pins. Yeah, its color is of course it's not the original one. That is not the original one. This is the Chinese version. So it has yellow, black, and mixture color. Type C ports are there, like Arduino R4 has. That's all. You have QWIC, IIC port is there, very little. Yeah, let's see what we can do with this Arduino. Now I'm going to power it on using the USB port. Let's power it on. The LED is on, and you see the LED matrix. All the LEDs are turned on for a while, and it comes. If we press the reset button again, we will see the same thing again. All the LEDs are going to on for a while, and it's gone. And the power LED is on. That means the board is okay. I think so. Thanks for watching.